Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 4. We are learning Unit 2. Its title is Good Friends. Today is lecture 3, my dear fellow teachers. This lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modified for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students. Today, under the title of grammar, we'll learn about punctuation marks and we'll cover page number 17 of your book. Before this, in English for grade 3, I have already taught you about punctuation marks. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch these videos again. Okay, so these QR codes are given. So we are going to learn further to recall the rules of punctuation learned earlier. This is our today's essay. So whatever punctuation marks we have already learned, we are just going to recall those punctuation marks. So let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Mudaththir, verse 1 till 5. O you covered up in your cloths, arise and warn, and proclaim your Lord's greatness, and keep your garments pure, and avoid uncleanliness. Yes, my dear students, whom Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is talking to? Yes, to our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And how Allah called him? Oh, you covered up. So here, sign of exclamation means Allah is talking to our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And whatever is mentioned here, that has been separated by putting a comma because it is a continuous instruction. What? To arise and warn, to proclaim your Lord's greatness. Here apostrophe has been used, and keep your garments pure and avoid uncleanliness. It means if Allah is saying this to our Prophet, it is for us as well to take very good care of our attire. It should be neat and clean, and we should avoid uncleanliness. This is the message of this verse, and here we find the importance of punctuation marks. So this is what we are going to learn today. First, you tell me, what is an exclamation mark and where do we place an exclamation mark? So teachers, kindly pause the video and take the answer of these questions from students. Let's find out how much they know and how we are going to teach them today. Pause the video, answer these questions. Yes, my dear students, I hope you remember this is the exclamation mark. And where do we use it? When we want to express strong feelings like help, I need your help, I'm in trouble, so help me. This sign of exclamation shows the strong feelings. Okay, so this is how every punctuation mark has a meaning. We are going to learn it. Punctuation marks are used in writing to separate sentences and their elements to clarify meanings. In a sentence, we put different punctuation mark to clarify meanings. Okay, for example, it's written here, it's my money, not yours. If I don't put comma over here, what does it mean? It's my money, not. If I put comma here, yours, it means it's not my money, it's yours. While I want to say it's my money, not yours. So it is the right place to put comma. So what we learned, if we place a punctuation mark correctly, we'll able to express in writing what we want to say correctly, right? This is what the punctuation marks are given. The first is apostrophe. Apostrophe is a small comma which is written on the above the letter. For example, if I want to say Ali's, I will write Ali and I will put comma over here and I will write S. Now this is apostrophe sign which is telling something which belongs to Ali. Then question mark to inquire about something, comma to, this is placed on the line. The comma which is apostrophe, it is different from comma. We know apostrophe is above letter and comma is used, we place it on line. And full stop and sign of exclamation. So let's learn further use of these punctuation marks. Apostrophe. We use an apostrophe to show possession. Possession. And what does possession mean? What does possession mean? Yes, it means if we want to show this thing belongs to this person, that is possession, the ownership. Okay. For example, Ali's jacket. What does it mean? This jacket belongs to Ali. Ali is the owner of this jacket. Umar's dress. So this apostrophe S is telling that this dress belongs to Umar. And cat's tail. So this cat has a tail, right? The next punctuation mark is question mark. We use a question mark at the end of the interrogative sentences. Means we are inquiring, asking about something, then we put a question mark. For example, who are you? Where do you live? And which is your bag? So there are many bags. Which one is yours? So I want to ask. That's why I have put a question mark by the end of the statement, which is an interrogative statement. Okay, the next is full stop. Very simple. We use a full stop at the end of a simple sentences. For example, I am a student. We are all cousins. And I am your English teacher. I am your English teacher. All right. So this is, and when I put a full stop, it means this statement ends over here. If I want to continue, then I may put comma and may state further. Right? The next is comma. We use comma to separate what? Nouns, pronouns, and adjectives in a sentence. And we know if in a sentence there are more than three or more than three nouns, pronouns, or adjectives, and we want to write in one sentence, we'll put a comma to separate them. For example, go to the market and bring carrots, comma, potatoes, and tomatoes. If I want to mention more, I will keep writing and will keep separating them by putting commas. So these are all carrots, potatoes, and tomatoes are nouns. Okay, and I, comma, my friends and their cousins. Now you see I, my, these are pronouns, and I have separated them by putting a comma. We are going for a picnic. I like this red, fresh, and juicy. Now red, fresh, and juicy are adjectives. So whenever we have three or more than three nouns or pronouns or adjectives in a sentence, we put a comma to separate them, right? These all things we have already learned, so we are just recalling it. The next is, we use a comma in short formal dialogues. Yes, we know it. How? Yes, comma, you can. Dialogue means two people when we write their conversation. So yes, it means someone is asking for something and we are saying, yes, you can. Please sit down. No, you have to wait. All right. So words like this, yes, no, please, sorry, thank you. So we put comma to separate these words in a dialogue, right? And the last punctuation mark we are going to learn today is exclamation mark. An exclamation mark is used after a word, a group of words, or a sentence. So it can be a word or a group of words or a sentence which is expressing strong feelings. For example, hurrah, we have won the match. So this word is showing the strong feeling of joy, happiness. I'm very happy. You all say this, na? We won the match, hurrah. So this is a word to show the strong feelings. Oh no, we missed the school bus. So if it happens, it's really problematic. So, oh no, this is showing the strong feeling of your worry if you sometime miss the school bus. So this is how this exclamation mark make your sentence clearer and shows the loud feeling of about the happening of something. Are you clear with it? Okay, so I'm going to check it through an activity. All of you, be ready. Teacher, what you are supposed to do? Before this, if you want to take a feedback from student, you may pause the video, make clear that everyone knows all the punctuation mark, then we will go to this activity. Teacher will divide class in 5 groups and will write sentences on board without capitalization and punctuation marks. Okay, So I have given few sentences in lesson plan. You may take those sentences or you may use your own sentences. What you will do then, turn by turn, one student will come and will rewrite this sentence on board with correct punctuations. If a punctuation mark is wrong or missed, in both cases, if it's wrong or missed, the group will be out of the game. Teacher will continue the activity till the time a winner group is decided. Okay, so all of you, I'm hoping you will enjoy this activity. Enjoy this activity, be very careful, put the correct punctuation marks, then come back. Yes, my dear students, I know you have done it very nicely. So everyone is winner, but for the winner group, congratulations. That's good. All right, now I'm going to give you a homework. What you will do, you will write 7 to 10 sentences about your friend by using correct punctuation marks. Okay, this is your homework and here is the worksheet. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given. You may click it and kindly give a printed worksheet to my students. And once again, students, what you will do, you will rewrite the sentences by using correct punctuation marks. First two have been done for you. All right, G. So what we have learned today, we recalled that we use an apostrophe to show possession. We use full stop at the end of a simple sentence. And we use a question mark at the end of the interrogative sentences. We also learned that we use comma to separate nouns, pronouns, and adjective in a sentence, and we also use a comma in a short formal dialogue. We also recall that an exclamation mark is used after a word, a group of words, or a sentence expressing strong feelings. So in this way, we achieved our today's SLO, that was to recall the rules of punctuation learned earlier. So almost we recalled all the rules. Next time we'll learn new rules, inshallah. So we are done with it. Are we? Yes. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.